see Glenn.
What would you like?
I want to say hi, Glenn.
You have too much food. You want to say hi to Glenn?
Mm-hmm.
Well, honey, we already submitted that video. But you can say hi to Glenn again if you want. You wanna? You gonna say cheers to Glenn?
Cheers. Cheers.
You gonna say thank you to Mia for the cupcakes?
Thank you, cupcakes.
Yeah. What about you, Michael Jr.?
Thank you, Mia, cupcakes.
That's right. Okay, are you gonna eat your cupcakes now? Who wants this one?
Me.
Which one is this?
Green.
Yeah, and whose is that?
Green.
Whose is it?
Mine.
And whose is this one?
Mine.
How do you know it's Annabelle's?
No.
You ready to eat your cupcake now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
I'm gonna eat my cake.
And you?
No, that's cute.
It's cute? You can bite. You gotta bite that. Don't put that whole thing in your mouth. You guys are making a mess. Bite it. There you go. What do you think?
Flower?
Yeah. What do you think of it? Michael, you're doing great with that. You're going to town on that cupcake. Huh? What do you think? What do you have to say?
Thank you.
All right, say bye-bye. See you soon, I hope.
See you.
Okay.